Salutare și bine ai venit la primul meu videoclip de pe acest canal. În acest videoclip vom juca un joc care se numește Fishing Live. Vă voi lăsa linkul în descriere. Acest joc este foarte fain, are și o poveste la început, poveste interesantă. Deci haideți să începem. M-am dat skip la tutorial. Bun. Că am mai jucat acest joc. Luăm 1000 de gold. Punem giftul pe, nu știu, dăm reverse la gift. Bun. Dăm upgrade la undiță. Bun. Și acum vă voi lăsa să vă uitați la videoclip. Nu o să mai vorbesc. Când se termină videoclipul o să mai zic ceva. Nu.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
atâta cu acest videoclip. Dacă nu v-a plăcut muzica care am pus-o, să ziceți în comentarii. Pa, pa!